Hey guys, Gerson with Shalom G. I just posted some short videos of the pump, but I want to post a longer video with more details. So this was what needs to be done when you can't reach all the way around with the truck. Then we need a pump, That's the concrete truck, Dolphinus, and the pump, the out of Cape Cod. Now he's gonna start the process of cleaning the equipments. Let's take a pic here on the foundation. Reed bars are in there. Those are the windows. And they just need to make sure it's all the way down. And there's a ground wire. It needs to be in the wall by code. 20 feet of that wire. And then the next step is to take out the forms and backfill it. So I'll keep you guys posted. Don't forget to thumbs up and to subscribe. Thanks for watching.